you so much. To the Honorable President, the chief guest, dear audience of the program for allowing me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We speak Afia. I am studying in class 3. My madrasa Noor Jannat Ideal Girls Madrasa. The founder of this madrasa Alhaj Nazrul Islam. Now I am talking about this for our madrasa education system. This madrasa is situated in Nishinda Taluka, Upazila under Mymensingh district. The historic madrasa is very glorious. The need for madrasa education was with my Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam when the Quran was revealed to him. The subject of the teaching, the Quran, the Hadith, Arabic, English, Bangla, mathematics, etc. Duties and responsibilities of the true Muslim. It has 66 students study here. 6 teachers. Our madrasa best madrasa in our country. The result of our madrasa is very good. I proud to reading madrasa. Take and learn many things. To be get persons to personal request or guardians visit our madrasa and then admitted children in this madrasa. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
সকলে বলি মারহাবা।